VSK Business Consultant, your one-stop shop for digital transformation and business growth. In today's digital age, a strong online presence is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity. VSK Business Consultant understands this and is here to help businesses of all sizes achieve their digital goals. With over a decade of experience, VSK Business Consultant offers a comprehensive suite of services designed to transform your business, drive growth, and get you noticed online. Websites and mobile apps that captivate and convert. First impressions matter, and your website and mobile app are often the first point of contact for potential customers. VSK Business Consultant doesn't just create websites and apps, they craft digital experiences that are both visually stunning and functionally exceptional. Their team of skilled designers and developers will work closely with you to understand your brand, target audience, and business objectives. They'll then translate your vision into a website or mobile app that not only looks great but also delivers a seamless user experience that encourages engagement and conversion. Expert business consulting for long-term success. Beyond websites and apps, VSK Business Consultant offers expert business consulting services to help you navigate the ever-evolving digital landscape. Their experienced consultants will work with you to develop a comprehensive digital strategy that aligns with your overall business goals. They can provide guidance on market research and competitor analysis. Understanding your target market and how your competitors are positioning themselves online is crucial for developing a successful digital strategy. Content marketing. Creating high-quality content that resonates with your audience is essential for attracting and retaining customers. VSK can help you develop a content strategy that educates, engages, and converts website visitors into loyal customers. Social media marketing. Social media platforms offer a powerful way to connect with your audience and build brand awareness. VSK can help you develop a social media strategy that leverages these platforms effectively. Email marketing. Email marketing remains a highly effective way to nurture leads and drive sales. VSK can help you develop an email marketing strategy that gets results. Search engine optimization, SEO. Improving your website's search engine ranking is vital for getting found online. VSK SEO experts can help you optimize your website for relevant keywords, improve your website's technical performance, and build high-quality backlinks to increase organic traffic. Seamless online shopping solutions. If you are looking to take your business online or improve your existing e-commerce platform, VSK Business Consultant can help. They have the expertise to develop user-friendly online stores that are easy to navigate and secure for your customers. Whether you need help with product listing, payment gateway integration, or shipping management, VSK can provide the solutions you need to streamline your online sales process. User-friendly search engines and SEO expertise. VSK Business Consultant understands the importance of making your website easy to navigate for both users and search engines. They can help you develop a user-friendly search engine that allows visitors to find the information they need quickly and efficiently. Additionally, their team of SEO experts can help you optimize your website for relevant keywords to improve your search engine ranking and increase organic traffic. By making your website more visible in search results, VSK can help you attract more qualified leads and drive conversions. Get noticed online. Social media and content marketing. In today's digital world, social media is a powerful tool for connecting with your target audience and building brand awareness. VSK Business Consultant can help you develop a social media strategy that leverages the power of these platforms to reach new customers and engage existing ones. Additionally, they can help you create high-quality content that educates, informs, and entertains your audience, ultimately driving traffic to your website and converting visitors into leads and customers. Let's make your business goals happen. VSK Business Consultant is a one-stop shop for all your digital transformation needs. They offer a comprehensive suite of services designed to help you achieve your business goals, from crafting captivating websites and mobile apps to developing effective digital marketing strategies. With their expertise and experience, VSK Business Consultant can help you increase brand awareness, generate leads, drive sales, improve customer engagement, enhance your overall business performance. Contact VSK Business Consultant today. Ready to take your business to the next level? Contact VSK Business Consultant today to discuss your digital transformation needs. You can reach them by phone at 9,840,336,999, by email at vsbusinessconsultant@gmail.com, or by visiting their website at www.vsbusinessconsultant.in. You can also follow them on social media for the latest digital marketing insights and trends. Together, let's make your business goals a reality.